Humiliation.
This is Kingya Jr. and right now you're looking at Kingya Jr.'s bird, which is the loudest bird you will ever hear. We call him bollo. That's Spanish for chicken. Yeah, you can tell I'm the one that gave him that. Yeah, he has a lot of stuff to say. And he loves to hide behind that mirror. He's a conceited little birdie. That's why you're the bollo. Ooh, the loud bollo. I'm trying to make my ears bleed. Let's see, you have any food? Ooh, that's a dirty cage. I just cleaned this yesterday and look at that. Ooh, what are you jumping for? This is a little camera. This is for taking pictures and I can record you now. Yeah, I can record you. Probably saying get the hell away from me, right? He curses at me his language, I bet. I just say your mama. And he says my mama too. Okay, I'm backing away. It'll make me deaf. Well, this was my bird. Just wanted to show you that. Kingya Jr. out.
Humiliation.